Meaning of Dorchester.
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 Dorchester. Dorchester is a place name that has multiple meanings. One of the most well-known is the town in southern England's county of Dorset, which has a rich history dating back to the Roman period. It was also the birthplace of famous author Thomas Hardy and is home to several historic landmarks, including Maiden Castle Hillfort and the Dorset County Museum. Additionally, there are several other places named Dorchester throughout the world, including in Massachusetts, Maryland, and Ontario. The name likely originates from Old English, and its exact meaning is uncertain.